step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tow hooks, pass-through rear seat, front reading lamps, cruise control, power door locks, stability control, and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.